Today, I'll show you how to add images and text to label templates in Microsoft Word. Whether you're preparing mailing labels, organizing your storage, or creating custom stickers, knowing how to personalize your label templates can be incredibly useful. By the end of this video, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate both images and text into your labels, making them not only functional, but also visually appealing. Let's start by opening your label template. If you already have a pre-downloaded template, go ahead and open it. However, if you need to create a new one, it's pretty straightforward. Head over to the Mailings tab at the top of your screen, then click on Labels. Once you're in the Labels section, click on Options. Here, you'll find a list of label vendors and product numbers. Select the one that matches your label sheets, and then click New Document. This will open up your label template in a new document. Now, if you're having trouble seeing the edges of your labels, I recommend making the grid lines visible. This step is optional, but it can be really helpful to ensure that everything aligns perfectly. To do this, go to the ribbon at the top and click on the Table Design tab. Depending on your version of Word, it might also be called Table Layout. Once you're there, find the Borders option. Click on it, and then select View Grid Lines. Suddenly, your label template should look more like a grid, making it easier to see exactly where your labels begin and end. Next, let's move on to inserting an image. Click inside the first label cell, which is usually located at the top left of the page. It's important to select the cell where you want your image to appear. With the cell selected, navigate to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. Click on Pictures, and then choose this device. This option allows you to browse through your files and select the image you want to include in your label. Once you've found your image, click on it, and then click Insert. Your image should now appear within the label cell you selected. And there you have it. You've successfully added an image to your label. You can repeat this process for other cells if you want to include images in more than one label. Remember, you can resize your image by clicking on it and dragging the corners to fit it within the label's boundaries. If you also want to add text to your labels, simply click inside the label cell where you want the text to appear and start typing. You can adjust the font, size, and color using the options in the Home tab, just as you would with any other text in Word. Align your text to complement your image and make sure everything fits perfectly within the label. By following these steps, you can create labels that are both informative and visually appealing. This method is particularly useful for small businesses, home organization, or anyone looking to add a professional touch to their labeling tasks. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Microsoft Word. Feel free to leave any questions you may have in the comments section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Happy labeling!